Creating animations can seem like a complicated process that requires technical skills, design abilities, and even some programming. But thanks to today's user-friendly platforms, creating professional-level animations has become more accessible. In this short video, I want to share my own experience with the best service from the category Top 5 Best Animation Software. I'm going to leave a link to the official website below this video, so make sure to check it out. And now, let's get started.
What is Vyond? At Vyond, our mission is to put the power of video in the hands of everyone. Vyond allows people of all skill levels in all industries and job roles to create dynamic and powerful media. With features that go beyond moving text and images, you can build character-driven stories or compelling data visualizations that engage audiences and drive results. Founded as GoAnimate in 2007, Vyond has helped global 2,000 organizations, small businesses, and individuals produce their own videos easily. Best for any size team of all skill levels and in all industries. Pricing details. Vyond offers a 14-day free trial, after which the software is available in 3 paid packages. Annual and monthly subscriptions are available for all versions, with monthly plans starting at $49 per month for personal, $89 per month for business, and $159 per month per seat for the enterprise package. Discounted prices are available for United States federal agencies. Pros. It has been a pretty good experience. I am happy with it and my clients are happy with my productions. It gives me a variety in my curriculum and makes it more interesting. And best of all, I keep learning new things it's capable of doing, so I don't ever feel like I know everything about it. If you are more experienced, there's a huge variety of characters, props, actions, and other features to let you be as creative as you want. Plus, it's just so dang fun to use it. Best Videos creation tool that allows me to create happening videos in the matter of a few minutes. One of the easiest software to use, and this allows me to be as creative as I would like. Cons. The extreme lack of common everyday items for props and character animations you find yourself needing. The bugs and poor customer service make it a thoroughly disappointing experience. There is no offline version. If servers experience trouble, Vyond may not be accessible. I really miss the alpha channel for export. Overlapping and masking on each element as well as show reverse animation is still missing from my point of view. When personalizing avatars, it can become cumbersome unless it is user error and I'm doing this wrong. What is Krita? Krita is a professional drawing program for digital artists for creating and editing illustrations. The program contains simulations for all kinds of techniques, including watercolor, oil paint, charcoal, and pastel chalk. By default, there are all kinds of customizable brushes, pencils, and pens available to use. There are tools for perspective, halftone filters, layers, and panel templates. The program can process both vector and bitmap files and is compatible with a variety of file formats. Best for illustrators, graphic designers, cartoonists, and creative drawing enthusiasts. Krita is made for both the amateur and professional artist or draftsman. Pros. Krita allowed my team to make new creative content for our Inspired edition, and our designers made some beautiful illustrations for a paint magazine from using this program. So far, my overall experience with Krita is really amazing. I recommend this to anyone new to digital art world or even animation, and you won't need to spend any fees because it's free to use. I love that Krita is free and useful for texturing, editing, drawing, animation, import, export, and more. It has a very good selection of brushes and tools. It's great that the software is free, so it can help beginners in design and vector drawing to start their careers for free. Cons. Especially if you have never used a similar product. Lag sometimes on my PC. Frequent lags, non-detection of the pen, pressure, sensitivity issues all plagued me, and eventually I had to move somewhere else. First, the documentation is lacking. Sometimes it's just what you expect, but because they are constantly adding features for some features, the documentation is missing entirely. I dislike the fact that I had to find external plugins to export animations as videos. What is Create Studio? Create Studio is the most advanced video animation software made for experienced and complete newbie video creators. Gives users the flexibility to create custom animations and also use motion presets and templates for ease of use and speed. Users can create explainer videos with 2D and 3D characters, lower third animations, logo stings, YouTube content, social videos, sales and promo videos, mobile stories, e-commerce ads, local business videos, and virtually any kind of video with ease. Best 4. Marketers, video geeks, social marketers, YouTubers, company owners, students. Pricing details. Create Studio is also available at $299 per year. Pros. On the hunt for the perfect video animation tool, I stumbled upon the Create Studio software. Amazing graphic design full of the best and most realistic 3D cartoon characters. Awesome tool for creating cool animations with Pixar quality in minimal time and effort. Great 2D and 3D characters. I love the animation and look forward to all the new characters each month. This software continues to help push my comfort zone to do more and more with my videos. It is the remarkable team behind Create Studio. They are constantly working to add and improve not just assets, but the program's functionality. Cons. What I miss is some video cut resources. It doesn't let you cut video pieces to use them separately. For one particular video, I had to publish it 7 times because it kept getting stuck, and even then it didn't work. That you need to be online and that it's tough to work on more devices, for example PC, laptop. I miss tools to cut video files you add to the software. What is Adobe XD? Prototyping and UX solution designed to help businesses of all sizes sketch wireframes and design websites as well as applications. Using Adobe XD, designers can collaborate across teams to add animations, create prototypes, and collect feedback in real time. The platform allows operators to create 3D and reusable designs to eliminate recreating efforts. Teams can also use the system to create, resize, and utilize the drag-and-drop functionality to align content-based layouts. Best 4. UX tool for businesses of all sizes that helps with content design via features such as auto animation, responsive resize, repeat grid, and more. Pricing details. Adobe XD is offered at $9.99 per month and $99.99 per year. Pros. As a user, I noticed that it has improved a lot. Save my documents from my device in the Adobe XD cloud. It is very good. The preview and prototyping features are also wonderful additions. The area to point type buttons are a great addition which I would like to see in every Adobe product. I think that it was great for free software. It had many cool features like auto animate, which is something that was good for prototyping. Excellent at helping me design mobile apps with my clients. Very useful and many options to work with. Cons. When it freezes and you lose what you had just been working on, that typically is a hard thing if you have been working on something for days or hours. You have to install it with Adobe Cloud. I find it so inconvenient because you're forced to stay in the environment. The sharing option was terrible and did not update live. You can't push up singular dartboards. You have to push up all, which is horrendously inconvenient. What is Animaker? Animaker DIY, do it yourself, professional live and or animated videos in minutes. Animaker is one of the fastest growing SaaS product companies in the content and video making space with over 10 million users in 220 countries. Quickly, without technical expertise, create professional 4K quality videos, animated or live, for onboarding, marketing, branding, simply complex concepts, etc. in minutes, allowing companies to easily adapt to market changes to create competitive advantage. Best 4. Animaker with over 10 million users creating professional 4K quality videos, animated or live for onboarding, marketing, branding, simplify complex concepts, etc. in minutes. Pricing details. Starter plan, $19 per month per user billed annually. Pro plan, $39 per month per user billed annually. Pros. I absolutely love the idea of creating our creative advertising videos as well as some internal company educational videos to help with training of new employees. The pure creativity of Animaker makes presentations and learning fun. All of the features and animation options are endless and make presenting and teaching new information fun. I like that the characters have lots of different movement options. I love that I can create my own characters as well as all kinds of options. I love the actions of animations, like we can move a character from one point to another. It makes my animation lively and fun. Cons. I tried communicating with the team because I was displeased with the service. Scenes can only be full seconds long. There is no function to adjust it for shorter time frames. If you add more characters, more than 4, there is an error message saying that it would hinder the quality of the video. My experience with Animaker has been horrible. I will not only not use this product, but I will also recommend that others not use it either.